Today marks the third day in a row for Regions 7 and 8 to report a rolling positivity average of 8% or above. That means that starting on Friday, 4 counties, Will, Kankakee, DuPage, and Kane, will all see the heightened resurgence mitigations already in place in Region 1, that's in northwestern Illinois. New restrictions were announced yesterday for Region 5, Southern Illinois, so that means 4 of our 11 regions have triggered our fail-safe state action metric. By the end of this week, those 4 regions will be operating under the standard resurgence mitigations. That includes no indoor dining or indoor bar service, limiting in-person gatherings to no more than 25 individuals. As you may know, when the regional positivity rate averages 6.5% or less for 3 consecutive days, then the resurgence mitigations can be removed from those regions. If the positivity rate averages between 6.5 and 8%, the new mitigations will remain in place and unchanged. If the positivity rate averages greater than or equal to 8% after 14 days, more stringent Tier 2 or Tier 3 mitigations can be applied to further reduce spread of the virus. The new wave of the virus is disrupting small businesses in these regions, so they will receive priority consideration for the $220 million in the current round of business interruption grants. A description of the grants and an application form can be found online at dceo.illinois.gov. At this point, of the 7 regions that are still operating under Phase 4 of our Restore Illinois plan, that is without additional resurgence mitigations, 5 are now at a rolling positivity average above 7%, with the other 2 above 6.5%. All continue to show increases over last week, and most regions of the state continue to see increases in COVID-related hospital admissions. As colder weather approaches and flu season is upon us, we're going to see the rippling effects of these current unfortunate trends. The massive surge of cases in our neighboring states will continue to have a spillover effect. There is no easy fix for the effects of this virus on our economy and on our public health. But we will manage through this. We're Midwestern tough here in Illinois. We know how to deal with a crisis, and we know how to take care of each other. If you're getting tired and you've let your guard down, now is the time to pick it back up. Mask up, wash your hands, keep your distance. We have to manage through this until the effective treatments and vaccines are fully tested and ready for distribution. For now, to keep our economy moving forward and to get our kids back in school, we have to do our part to reduce the spread of the virus. We have to do this for each other, for our schools, for our small businesses. We can and we will.